Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Crown Geek. Now in day-to-day life, you have tons of computer problem, like you're getting any kind of blue screen, any kind of black screen, your data has been accidentally deleted and you want to recover it, or probably you want to reinstall any kind of operating system like Windows 10, 11, and for all these different tasks, you need different software or different USB. But in this video, I will be explaining that how you can perform all this work with one single USB, and I will be using the Ventoy software that is best, safe, and one of the best tool to create such kind of USB flash drive. Alright, so let's quickly get started. Now on my desktop, you can see that I have downloaded 4 different ISO. One is Windows 10, 11, Linux, and the fourth one is the Hiren that basically I use for different kind of purposes like data recovery, boot fix, or any kind of virus removal. And there are lots of other tools covered by this software. Now you can also use the MediCat. So that's all up to you. If you want to go with the MediCat, then you have to download and install over here. Okay, so in order to download this, you will be getting all these links in the description. Like you can go to Windows 11 and open this website. At the bottom, you will find the Windows 11 ISO image download option. You can download it. For Windows 10, you won't be getting the direct link. So what you can do, you can click on the 3 dot at the right hand corner of the Google Chrome browser. Then hover up to more tools. Click on developer tools. Again, click on the 3 dot on this developer tool. Then you have to select more tools, and from the suggestion choose network conditions. Now once you select it, at the bottom you will find user agent. So you need to uncheck this option, and once you uncheck it, from the drop down below choose Google Chrome, and once you select it, again reload your browser, and then you will be getting to download the Windows 10 ISO. Similarly, if you want to download Windows 7, you can do that. Even you will be getting the Kali Linux operating system, the live operating system link. So if you want to download Kali Linux or any other, then you can download it. It's all up to you. And the last one that we have is the Hiren. So again, you will be getting this link as well in the description. And once you come up here, you have to click on download. And then at the very bottom, you will find HBCD PC x64.iso. You need to click on it and the downloading will be started. Now all these files are ISO and it will be around like 2-3 gigabyte, 4 gigabyte. So make sure that you have enough data to download all these ISO files. Now once you have downloaded all kind of ISO, just try to save it in a single folder where you can quickly identify it. Now next you need to download the Ventoy through which we will be making our USB flash drive. So this GitHub page link will be in the description. Once you come up here, scroll down a bit, and in the asset you will be getting Ventoy windows.zip. Just click on it, download it. Once it get downloaded, you need to extract the file. So make a right click on it, choose extract all, and choose the location wherever you want to extract it. And once extracted, you will be getting this kind of folder. Make a double click on it, and here you will find Ventoy to disk. Now before running it, make sure that your USB drive is being connected to your laptop or your PC that you want to make Ventoy flash drive. And also make sure that it should be at least of 16 or 32 gigabyte of space, and you don't have any of your important data because all the data will be wiped out. Alright, so once done, now make a right click on it, choose run as administrator. The setup will be coming up, and as soon as it will be coming up, you will be getting this kind of a small box, and in the devices section, your pen drive, your USB will be automatically detected. Alright, so you can see that my 32 gigabyte SanDisk has been detected. Now in case if you see the blank space, don't see any kind of devices here, then probably your device is not identified by the computer. So you need to reinsert it back and again run this setup. So once everything is good to go, you have to click on install, and you can see it says warning, the device will be formatted and all the data will be lost. So just click on yes, and the process will be started now, and it will take just a few seconds to get completed. Now once completed, you will be getting this kind of message. Congratulations, Ventoy has been successfully installed to this device. And now if I open my file explorer, so you can see that I can see the Ventoy drive instead of my USB SanDisk. Alright, so now finally what we will have to do here, we need to move all the ISO that we downloaded in this Ventoy USB drive. So I can move to my location. I just saved in my document in the ISO folder. So I will copy all these ISO from here, or I can cut it instead so that it should not be saved in two different places because of the storage. So instead I will make a right click and choose cut. Then I will come to the Ventoy drive and paste it. Now this will take some time because the size of these files are too large. So it will take some time. So let's quickly wait here. Alright, so finally all the files are pasted now and we are all set. We are ready with this Ventoy drive to use it. And here for the demonstration purpose, I'm taking my virtual machine to show you that how exactly this will work. So now what you will have to do, you need to take out this USB and connect to that computer where you want to troubleshoot or reinstall or do data recovery or whatever you want to do. So here I will connect to my virtual machine. And now I need to restart my computer so that I can start my machine with the Ventoy flash drive. And for that, I need to enter into the BIOS and I have to change the boot priority, the boot order, and I need to make this USB flash drive on the top so that the next time when I start the computer, it can boot up with that particular USB. Okay, so depending that which computer, which manufacturer you're using, you need to find out your BIOS key. And once you enter the BIOS, kindly change the boot order and select the USB drive to boot. And now when the computer comes up, you will see this Ventoy screen and I can see all the 4 ISO that I just pasted in this Ventoy drive. So now depending that what exactly I want to do, I can use any of these ISO images. So let me quickly give you a quick overview of all the 4 ISO that how exactly it works. Okay. So for example, if I want to reinstall Windows 11 or if I want to repair it, then from this list here, I will select Windows 11, hit the enter key. Then I will choose boot to normal mode, hit the enter key again. And now the Windows 11 setup page will be coming up like this. So here you can choose your language and all the information. Then you have to click on next. And then if you want to install Windows 11 or reinstall, then you can click on install now. But if you want to troubleshoot any kind of problem, then select the option repair your computer. So once you click on it, it will bring up some advanced options like troubleshoot. And if I click on it, I get different options like startup repair. I can use any kind of command. I can run it. I can go with system restore. I can use the system image recovery. So these all features can be used if you want to troubleshoot any kind of problem. Similarly, you can do the same with the Windows 10 as well. All right, so now let me go out of it and show you the next one, that is Kali Linux, and this is the live operating system. So I will just hit the enter key. Then I will select boot in normal mode. And then it will ask that what kind of version you want to go with. So I will go with live system ARM64, hit the enter key, and bingo. So here is the Kali Linux machine. And if you want to do anything, so this is a kind of plug and play machine. So if you want to perform any kind of task, if you want to recover the data from your drive, then you can do all that work by coming to this Kali Linux machine. So for example, if I want to access my drive of my Windows, so I will click on the drive here that says 68 GB. And you can see all my Windows files are showing over here. And if I want to recover my data, I can do that. So this will basically help you to recover the data if your Windows has been corrupted or you're not able to log into your computer, then you can recover the data. Now, in case if you want to recover the data that has been deleted, or if you want to run different other tool, like if you have any kind of boot problem, or if you have serious infection viruses on your computer, then let's go with the Hiren and see that how it works. So let me close it. And then I will select the top option, that is HBCD for Hiren. I will select it, then boot in normal mode. Now this will be loading up and it may take some time to load. So you have to wait here. And once it comes up, it will be loading up with the PE Windows 10. That is a very lightweighted version of Windows 10, so that it can easily run on any kind of machine. Now here, the best part is this is also a kind of live machine where you can recover your data by just opening that drive, and by default you get many kind of application browser. But let's see that what are the important tools that we get over here. So if I click on the Windows icon over here and then click on all program, so you can see we get accessibility, administrative tool, then we have BCD MBR tool. So if you want to fix any kind of boot problem, then you have two different options here, boot rec, then you have the easy BCD. So if I click on it, this kind of page, this kind of box will be coming up, with the help of which you can fix any kind of partition or any kind of boot problem. Now I cannot go in the details because it will be a very long video, but in case if you want a specific video on any of the tool here, then you can let me know in the comment section. Okay, so let's close this and see what is the next tool we get here. And then we have the hard disk tool, and if I click on it, we find the data recovery. So if I click on data recovery, so you can see that there are lots of data recovery tools that we are getting here, like check disk, photo rack, and the Recuva. Alright, so if you want to recover any deleted data, then you can take the help of any of this software like Recuva. You can click on it and just follow the step to recover your data. Alright, similarly we have many other tools, like if I go in the network, so you can enable the firewall with one click, you can disable the firewall, fix many kind of driver issues, fix many kind of network problem with these inbuilt tools that you get in this operating system. And then we have many more tools like zip file manager, you have free office personalization, notepad++, VLC media player, and tons of tools. And if you talk about the security, so there are many security tools. If I click on it, so you can see that we are getting antivirus program, and if I click on it, I get different antivirus like McAfee, EsetNode, Malwarebyte, and I can use any one of them to fix any kind of viruses and infection. Then you also have the key finder. So if you want to get any kind of key that you have lost, then you can use the key finder software. And if you want to recover any kind of password, then you can use the password tool here. So there are lots of tools that you can check out here. I cannot give you the whole detail because the video will be very lengthy. So it's better that you should create this USB right now and take a lot of help with this amazing tool with one single USB. So the next time, whenever you have any kind of problem, simply you need to plug in this USB drive, boot with this Ventoy flash drive, and you are ready to do multiple tasks on your computer. So that's all guys for today. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if yes, do not forget to like and subscribe. For any kind of question, let me know in the comment section. Till then, take care. Bye bye.